Jiangxi Huidao Industrial Company Limited, a professional manufacturer and trader which have been specialized in design, production, and sale of razors and razor blades since 2005, have reliable and professional technical team as well as rich export experience. Our factory located in Tianshan Industrial Park, Shangrao City, Jiangxi Province, covering an area of 35,000 square meters. Now we have over 300 employees, including 250 general workers and more than 50 administrative staffs, as well as professional technicians and designers. In recent years, our company introduced more than 100 machinery and equipment, injection molding machines, blade production equipment, product assembly machines, and a series of advanced automation equipment. Over 30 production lines working together every day to give our factory a busy but orderly production atmosphere. Our factory is an industry and trade combination enterprise which integrates preliminary design, midterm production, assembly, and post-packaging, as well as delivery. A one-stop process to complete the entire order process. After the goods are done, the sales staff to arrange the delivery of the matter, staff in their respective duties, in good order. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we have passed ISO 9001-2008, International Quality Management Certification, SGS Management System Certification, and BV Certification. All of our products comply with international quality standards to match all kinds of customers' demands. And we have our own international brand, PearlMax, registered in many counties, razor products and brand greatly welcomed in different markets throughout the world. Our company also accepts OEM brand for foreigner customers. Our company has independent right of import and export, could help you arrange the shipping around the world. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.